Hi, this is Tracy of I Did It My Damn Self. Today we have a new project in this beautiful weather. It is outdoor that we are doing this project. I have my I Did It My Damn Self client with me. We'll get to him in a minute. Today we are going to be putting up a fan. There's a lot of insects and mosquitoes and flies back here. And this fan will keep them from attacking us. Today we're working with Bill, my brother. He's actually my client for this particular project. And we're going to watch him in action. Come on down, Bill. Before we get started, I go through the ritual of putting on our PPE, which is our personal protection equipment. And we start off by putting on our gear. Bill has an apron and our headband. So first we'll put on our apron. As I do. Yeah. We get prepared so we can hold any things that we need, any tools, any hardware. We put on our apron. Like the apron. So I did it my damn self apron. And because we're going to be drilling, we need to have some eye protection, which is our goggles. But I want to talk about what type of fan we're putting up. This is an industrial fan, outdoor. These are the tools that we're using to put this fan up. We have our hammer drill to drill these anchors into the wall. Yeah, 3 inches long. This is what we're working with. A hammer just to bang it in. I have my level. Okay? So this is the area we chose to put the fan up, which actually will cover all of this backyard back here. This is an oscillating fan, meaning that it turns from one side to the other so that it can cover all of the backyard. Okay? So we're going to start with, Bill, did you grab that? Position. We already know what position we're going to put this in. We decided to put it over here. First thing we want to do is level. Make sure this is level. Okay. 2 ends. It's very important when you're drilling that your shoulder is locked and you're right in front of it. You are locked in and you are straight. You want to make sure that this drill bit is straight so it doesn't go on an angle. Okay? And you put your body on it. You don't put your shoulder, you use your body to actually put the pressure towards drilling this hole for the anchor. Now, these anchors, that when you spin this here, this part expands. It'll lock into the wall. And they're very, very, very sturdy. There's no chance of it coming out. So Bill's going to lock this in now and tighten it up. The hammer, going to lock that in. Tighten them with the fingers first, just to get them a little tight, just to make sure we have them. We're putting these pieces together. We are setting this part here that actually locks into here. These two parts right here, it locks right into here. And you'll see. So we're going to set this up right now. So as you can see, we have the neck secured to the base of the motor. Okay. He's just going to put it in. All right. go. Tighten this up a little bit, just to keep secure. Just here. There we go. The only thing that moves is this. Back of the fan. Make sure it's all in a groove, as you can see. There is a little screw here, as you can see, that's going to lock into here. And we must put it on a side that's flat. Does it hug it? No. So let's close it up as much as we can. Now we're going to put the fan on. This is a little tricky. You have to be a little strong, and we've got a strong guy here, so we'll be fine.
Here's the moment we've been all waiting for.
So Bill, when you're out here and you're hanging out with your buddies on a great night, smoking your cigars, what are you going to tell them about this job you did right here?
Okay. My sister showed me how to do this, and I did it my damn self.
So to all my clients, I leave them with a little gift. It's a tool set. You get a little chain and you just put them on there.
Thank you, sis. Appreciate it.
So this project only took maybe an hour, if that. It's an easy setup you can do. No problem. You just need someone to help you put up the fan because the base is kind of heavy. But it's a simple process. And if anyone's interested in putting a fan in their backyard, please follow these directions. It's very simple. It comes with instructions that you can follow. It's a 1, 2, 3. Now, if you want to put an outlet in your backyard, then you got to talk to me. Okay? Reach me at idititmydamnself.com, on my Facebook page, I Did It My Damn Self, and I'll help you out. Have a great one. This is what you do after you have a video shoot. You cook out. That's what we do. Cook the hell out.